In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the DEX Screener mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so depending what device you're on, you want to go ahead and go to your Player App Store. And then from here, you're going to be taken to the front page of your Player App Store. And then we want to go ahead and click on the search button on the bottom. And then where it says search apps, we want to type in DEX Screener. So go ahead and click on DEX, type in DEX Screener, then hit search. And here it is here. I've already got it installed. So you want to click onto it and then click on download and install. And what that's going to do, that's going to go ahead and download the DEX Screener app onto your mobile phone. And then it's going to install it at the same time. But in my case, I just simply need to go ahead and click on enable and update. Now this is going to update the app for me. So yeah, it's a very simple process of how to download and install your DEX Screener app on your mobile device.